Hey, what's going on, folks? It's Brian, and we have something exciting going on here. We're working with a different set of wheels and tires for the 32 Ford that we're working on for both Fred Henry and Fred Kim's Custom Garage. Um, these are Z wheels made by Steven Zimmerman himself, and if you're not familiar with them, it's a beautiful casting that he has done here. I mean, look at this. That is just out of focus. Let's get in close here. There we go. There we go. That's nice. That looks like the surface of an Oreo right there. That is just a thing of beauty. Lovely, well done. These come just like this. I mean, you order them how you want. He gives you a couple. Well, I should say he gives you a couple of options how you want to order them. How you can order them. And I got mine in the raw metal edge. I should say the machine metal edge with the raw metal insert, and the backs are unpainted. But these happen to be made specifically for this car. So we do have to do a tiny modification to the rear axle, and that is to cut off the little nubbins that stick out because the rear wheels are not deep enough to take all of that in. So that cylinder in there will fit right over the axle just fine. So we're going to do a little mock-up here real quick and see how these look. I do have a second set that I was thinking about doing, but then I kind of changed my mind because I want to use these on something else. But these red steelies with the fat whites, oh boy, those are cool, right? Now, Mr. Zimmerman does do business on Facebook. You'll have to go onto Facebook and then just do a search for him. I'm not posting a link to him because it is a personal account of his, and so I'm thinking that if you are a Facebooker, then just type in Steven Zimmerman and you will find him. But he does have quite a little catalog of photos there in one of his albums of all the different wheels and tires that he offers. And if you do order from him, do cut him some slack because he is an older gentleman. He is retired. He does live in an area where they're susceptible to lots of storm damages and stuff like that. And again, you will get your product. It's just, it might not be next day service type of thing. So let's see. Can we get a better view of that? Let's drill in a little bit here. Yeah, that is beautiful. I like that. That's right out of the box. So there we go. All right, we're definitely going with these. We're still leaning towards the gloss black car. We've been doing a little body work here and there. Found something extremely frustrating for somebody with, well, with a pair of eyeballs, as a matter of fact. I'm not even going to say, I'm going to take this off here. She's going to fall apart. Yep. But you see anything wrong with that trunk lid there? Yeah, that's kind of favoring the driver's side a little bit. So, is it worth fixing? What do you guys think? Let me know. I mean, we could fill in one groove and then recut it. I'd actually probably fix this side and narrow it a little bit. But yeah, what do you guys think? Is it worth going through all the heartache to try and fix that, or is it something I should just leave and move on with? Other than that, we're trying a little something that our good friend and somebody that I consider a master builder. We cut out the vent there. We're going to make our own little pop-up vent too. Mr. Mark Batson does that on a lot of his kits, and I thought, oh yeah, I'm going to Batsonize that. So let's try that. And while I was working on that, I was like, oh, let's just take a look at the rest of the body here. Oh my God, that's off center. And yeah, this kit's been produced for forever, since I think 1996 or some jazz, or even earlier than that. But and I don't know. I don't know if anybody's ever had noticed this before, and well, they had to have noticed it before. But had they ever decided to go ahead and fix it, or is it something that's probably negligible? So, let me know what you guys think down below. But yeah, we love these Zimmerman wheels because they're so cool. I have 2 sets of them. I know for sure. I think I have a 3rd set someplace. As a matter of fact, I think I even used them on a kit. I'll have to go find out which one that was because now I can't remember. Okay, well, I guess I must have been dreaming because I checked through everything I have and I did not find another set of Z wheels on hand. So I must have bought them for John or somebody like that, and was just thinking I had them myself. But anyway, yeah, this thing. Let's get some light down here. Yay! Oh man, that's awesome. All right, enough of the shenanigans here. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. I'm liking how that looks, and I'm gonna go fix my light now. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.